Hello and welcome to Financeable. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can use the Visa gift card. So first of all, you can open any type of browser on your PC and go to visa.com or go to usa.visa.com. So as you can see, this is the official page of Visa card. Now if you want to get the Visa card gift card, you can just go ahead and scroll down. After scroll down, you can see the option over here. So as soon as you scroll down, you should find a gift card option over here. So what you need to do is click on check your gift card balance. After you do that, the next step you want to do is select the type of gift card which you want. Some of the type of gift cards are Visa Vanilla gift cards, giftcard.com, gift card mall, Commerce Bank, Navy Federal, and Walmart. So you can choose the type of gift card you want to achieve. Go ahead and tap on any one of these and you will be headed to this page over here where you can log into your account. So all you need to do is write down your gift card number, enter your expiration date and the 3-digit CVV code and click on register card. After that, you can easily enable your gift card. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.